You go to bed on time, you eat clean, you even try to exercise. But somehow, you still wake up tired. After 40, this isn't just part of getting older. It's a signal. Your body is changing in ways most men are never warned about. The truth is, fatigue after 40 has very specific causes. Hormonal shifts, hidden nutrient deficiencies, blood sugar crashes, rising stress, and declining sleep quality. In this video, we will break down the 5 most common reasons why men over 40 feel drained, and the simple science-backed steps you can take to restore your energy. Let's begin with the foundation of it all, your hormones. After 40, your body begins to change in ways that can leave you drained. One of the biggest shifts is testosterone. Starting around age 30, testosterone drops by about 1% per year. Over a decade, that decline adds up. The result? Lower energy, weaker recovery after workouts, and that constant fatigue, even when you think you're doing everything right. But here's what most men don't realize. Testosterone doesn't just fall randomly. Your body needs raw materials to keep producing it: zinc, magnesium, vitamin D, and a spectrum of B vitamins. If you're running low, your hormones suffer, and so does your energy. That's why nutrient sufficiency matters. At Second Prime, we use Life Extension's 2 per day high-potency multivitamin. It's packed with bioavailable B vitamins for steady energy, minerals like zinc and magnesium to support testosterone, and plant extracts for overall vitality. For us, adding it into the daily routine made a noticeable difference in energy that diet alone wasn't delivering. Supporting your hormones doesn't always require therapy or extreme interventions. Sometimes it starts with making sure your body has the raw materials it needs to function at its best. Even if you think you're getting enough hours of sleep, the quality of that sleep often declines after 40. The problem isn't just time in bed, it's how much deep restorative sleep your body actually gets. As we age, melatonin production decreases, cortisol stays elevated longer, and weight gain can increase the risk of sleep apnea. The result? You wake up unrefreshed, even after what looks like a full night's rest. Poor sleep doesn't just make you groggy. It lowers testosterone, disrupts blood sugar, and magnifies stress. It's one of the fastest ways to drain your energy day after day. What can you do? Start with your environment. Keep the bedroom cool, dark, and screen-free an hour before bed. Add a short evening walk or deep breathing to calm your nervous system. At Second Prime, one tool we've seen make a difference is magnesium glycinate. It supports muscle relaxation and helps the body slip into deeper sleep cycles. We recommend Nature's Bounty Magnesium Glycinate, which has been trusted by thousands of men over 40. Over 20,000 bottles sold on Amazon last month alone. If you're over 40 and always tired, improving sleep isn't optional. It's the foundation for rebuilding your energy. Another hidden reason fatigue creeps in after 40 is how your body handles food. When you're younger, your muscles are highly sensitive to insulin, the hormone that moves sugar from your bloodstream into your cells for energy. But with age, that sensitivity drops. By your 40s and 50s, it's common to develop a degree of insulin resistance. That means after a carb-heavy meal, your blood sugar spikes higher, then crashes lower. And that crash is what leaves you dragging in the middle of the day, even if you've had plenty of sleep. It's not just about weight gain. Insulin resistance directly affects energy. When your cells can't efficiently absorb and use fuel, you feel like your internal battery never fully charges. What can you do? The key is stabilizing blood sugar. Build meals around protein and fiber, and save starchy carbs for times when you'll actually use them, like after a workout or a long walk. Replacing processed carbs with whole foods and balancing each plate with lean protein, vegetables, and healthy fats helps smooth out the energy roller coaster. Fixing diet isn't about eating less. It's about eating smarter so your body can fuel you consistently all day long. Even if your hormones, diet, and sleep are on track, there's another factor that quietly drains energy after 40: stress. When you're under pressure, your body releases cortisol, the stress hormone. In short bursts, cortisol is helpful. It sharpens focus and gives you energy to respond to challenges. But when stress becomes chronic, cortisol stays elevated for too long. The problem? High cortisol blocks deep sleep, lowers testosterone, raises blood sugar, and keeps your nervous system in a constant state of tension. Over time, that leaves you wired at night, sluggish in the morning, and running on empty all day. What can you do? The answer isn't just relax more. You need deliberate stress management. Even a 15-minute walk outdoors can lower cortisol levels significantly. Breathing drills, meditation, or journaling before bed help signal to your nervous system that it's safe to rest. And don't underestimate recovery. Scheduling downtime is just as important as scheduling workouts. At Second Prime, we emphasize this simple truth. You can't out-supplement or out-train chronic stress. Managing cortisol is one of the fastest ways to reclaim your energy after 40. Sometimes the reason you're always tired isn't hormones or even stress. It's hidden deficiencies. As men over 40, we're more likely to run low on certain nutrients because our bodies don't absorb them as efficiently as they once did. Vitamin B12 is a classic example. Low levels can leave you foggy and fatigued. Magnesium is another, tied to muscle relaxation and sleep. But one of the most overlooked is omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats reduce inflammation, support brain function, and keep energy levels stable. Yet most of us don't eat enough fatty fish to get what we need. That's why a high-quality omega-3 supplement can make such a difference. At Second Prime, we recommend Nordic Naturals Ultimate Omega, a clean, high-potency fish oil with EPA and DHA. It's trusted worldwide, and just last month alone, over 10,000 bottles were sold on Amazon. The link is in the description. Fixing deficiencies isn't about chasing dozens of pills. It's about identifying the nutrients that move the needle most for energy and overall health, and making sure your body gets them consistently. Fatigue after 40 isn't just part of aging. It usually comes down to 5 things: declining hormones, poor sleep quality, insulin resistance, chronic stress, and hidden nutrient deficiencies. The good news? Every one of these can be improved. At Second Prime, we believe tiredness is not your new normal. It's a signal. And when you address the root causes, you can restore your energy, strength, and focus. If you found this helpful, subscribe for weekly, science-backed strategies to thrive in your Second Prime. And remember, everything we mentioned today, from the Life Extension multivitamin to magnesium glycinate and Nordic Naturals omega-3, is linked in the description below. Each one supports this channel at no extra cost to you, if you'd like to join us in the mission to help men over 40 thrive. If this video helped you in any way, even one small change you'll try tonight, leave a like. It tells the algorithm to show it to someone else who might need it. And if you want more clear, science-backed ways to protect your body and sharpen your mind after 40, stick around for more. Your Second Prime isn't about going back. It's about staying sharp, steady, and strong.